Imagine turning a 5-minute habit into a multi-billion-dollar business. That's what exactly Duolingo did by transforming how language works. They transformed learning a language from a tedious task to fun and making it an addictive experience, one that has captured the attention of 500 million users worldwide. But what's the secret sauce behind Duolingo becoming a 7.7 billion US dollar business and making it so much addictive for the people? Let's dive into the strategies of how Duolingo became one of the most favorite apps in the App Store. Now, before we move on, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and it will make me happy. And if you would have checked out my previous videos, you would know that I was doing my other videos in a different channel, Malayalam. And I recently did a survey in my Instagram channel where most of my YouTube subscribers came from. And I did a poll asking for whether I should continue doing videos in Malayalam, because I got a lot of messages saying that please do the same content in English, etc. So I did a survey asking whether I should do the videos in English or Malayalam, and then these are the results. So moving forward, I'm going to do a lot of videos, but those will be in English, right? So let's dive in straight into the topic of Duolingo. Duolingo was founded in 2011 by Louis Van Ahn, a computer science professor known for creating CAPTCHA, along with Severin Hacker, one of his students. See, their mission was simple: to make education free and accessible to everyone. So when they decided to make education free, they started focusing on languages because it was more popular and it was in need. They removed one of the main barriers like finance, or expensive courses and expensive tutors, etc. Duolingo's user-friendly interface and gamified experience made it a huge hit initially. See, right from the start, Duolingo focused on 3 things: free access, gamification, and personalized learning. See, most of the apps required a payment or a subscription plan, something like that, right? But what Duolingo did is they made it completely free, especially for students, travelers who really need a language app to communicate and get things done. So when I said gamification, what really Duolingo did was they made it more fun. Learning language became more fun, and they started giving people rewards for learning small lessons on a daily basis. And this motivated the learners to gain more points, so they started learning more. They started doing more activities on the app. And this system encouraged them to daily practice. And study shows that small, consistent practices makes people learn faster. So they utilized this research and they made people use the app on a daily basis. The third was personalized learning, right? So what they did was they had all the data. So according to each user, they understood each user's behavior, capacity to learn, the capacity to or the ability to understand each language. And accordingly, they started tweaking their lessons on a daily basis so that each user get a personalized tutor kind of a thing through an app. See, with these unique features, Duolingo quickly gained traction. By 2013, Duolingo became the #1 most downloaded education app in the world. And in 2014, Apple announced it as the App of the Year. And by 2021, it became the most downloaded education app in the world by having more than 500 million downloads. Now, while we are speaking, Duolingo have more than 40 million active users, a staggering number which shows their popularity. Duolingo just didn't stop at basic language learning. It had expanded its offering to more than 40 languages around the world. So in addition to Duolingo, they started diversifying into other areas, introducing Duolingo ABC for Kids and Duolingo English Test, a TOEFL alternative accepted by many universities, which became a major revenue source for them. See, in its early days, Duolingo was completely free and relied on ads for revenue. But as it grew, Duolingo introduced Duolingo Plus, a subscription-based plan with ad-free and offline options as well. In 2023, Duolingo Plus was rebranded as Super Duolingo, offering even more advanced tracking and learning features. Approximately 5% of Duolingo users subscribe to Super Duolingo, contributing significantly to its revenue. See, in addition to ads and subscriptions, Duolingo earns through partnerships and language proficiency testing. So for example, Duolingo English Test was one of their most profitable divisions. Unlike traditional English testing courses, which cost few $100s, Duolingo's test was only $49 per test, making it one of the most affordable and accessible to common people. And Duolingo was available across the world, not only in US or India, etc. Right? And now this test is accepted by more than 4,000 institutions worldwide, which has helped boost Duolingo's revenue streams outside of ads and subscriptions. See, one of the major factors for Duolingo is the access to data. See, when they have an app at this scale of users, they get a lot of user engagement data, right? So Duolingo uses this data to tweak their algorithm according to each user. See, during the COVID pandemic, Duolingo saw a massive surge, especially because people were in homes and they wanted to learn something new, learn new languages, etc. And Duolingo was the go-to option for them. So this surge helped them in 2021 when they went to IPO and got a valuation of $7.7 billion US dollars. See, this valuation was mainly because of their huge customer base, brand loyalty, and revenue from ads, and revenue from multiple divisions, and the scalability model of the entire business. See, with respect to competition, even though Duolingo have few international competitions and regional competition, Duolingo is constantly evolving and constantly changing its features, giving what customers need. Even they have started introducing AI into their personal learning experience, making it one of the most sorted out e-learning platforms in the world. Duolingo's journey from a free app to a $7.7 billion US dollar company is a testament to the power of innovation, data-driven decision-making, leadership, and the relentless pursuit of making education accessible and enjoyable for all. Hope you liked this video. So why I wanted to talk about Duolingo in this video is to make people understand the power of a simple idea and making it into a global company, which is like a mammoth now. So if you have an idea, however small it is, and if certain factors checks marks, like if it's scalable, if you can build a prototype with less money, go ahead and build it. Start testing your market, whichever market you are in, right? So if you have a small idea, it might be scalable, it might not be scalable. And if it's a SaaS idea like Duolingo, go for it, because SaaS is booming around the world. There's a lot of opportunities. So I wanted to make people build SaaS products and sell it around the world, because the opportunity in SaaS is right now, and go for it. So as I said, if you haven't subscribed this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video? Thank you very much.